Announce.
Oi.
Parmanand Giri.
Yes, sir.
Parvez.
Yes, sir.
Yaspal.
Yes, sir.
Sachin.
Yes.
Dharamjit.
Yes, sir.
Kuldeep.
Yes, sir.
Asif Khan.
Yes, sir.
Sachin Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Salim Akhtar. Pramod Kumar. Rajesh.
Yes, sir.
Rajnesh Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Surendra Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Mohammad Ismail.
Yes, sir.
Mrityunjay Kumar. Dharamjit.
On the box. Cut. 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 Ball. Yeah. 3 or 200 meter. Farman Giri. So Lieutenant General A.S. Ram. Brigadier V. Pratap Singh. Set. Set.
Senior doctor, junior doctor, subject and we were talking about skills. My knowledge of skills will I also the next of the
Once again, now it's the fifth RD. Now,
boys and girls on this occasion. It has a symbolic value for us to receive such certificates from the distinguished guests. NCC, as I understand, by being in the year wing long years back, gave me a great sense of discipline means good marching, it means good turnout, means good. Each innovation, each invention is born out of adventure of some kind or the other. And perhaps if you use it creatively in life, it pays us a great deal. Friends, once again, without stretching my discourse too far, let me once again congratulate all of you. The fact that you participated, the fact that you went, doesn't matter whether you got certificate or you didn't get. The participation to me is a great thing in life. All of you have participated. You are wearing a uniform of honor, which was indeed a great honor to me. I give certificates of Delhi Police, which will be sending, I'll be sending to them shortly. Thank you very much. Right.
thank you, sir. So that was our Chief Guest, DCP Central District Udesh IPS. Now I would request our Honorable Principal Sir, Mr. S.G. Hart, who is Zakir Hussain Morning, to please say a few words.
DCPs have an active organization. My thanks also to the lady instructor who comes. We don't have any lady teacher here to look after the work of the NCC. We are thankful to the unit for having sent us a very competent officer to train the girls. And she has been doing marvelously well over the years. Some of you would also be in general. Thank you very much.
Chaya, IPS. Last but not the least, I request our NCC officer, Mr. M.M. Rahman, to give vote of thanks.
In spite of his visit, I am also thankful to Ms. Chaya Sharma for favorably responding to our request and their kind support. I am also thankful to Command Officer Lieutenant Colonel Deepak Kanijo and Lieutenant Colonel M.S. Grewal for their support. NCC cadets of our college are particularly to be congratulated for creating disciplined environment and competing.
That was our NCC officer, Mr. M.M. Rahman. Respected Chief Guest, DCP Central District, Mr. Uday Chaya, IPS. Guest of Honor, Ms. Chaya, IPS. Honorable Principal Sir S.G. Hashmi, morning. Mr. Riyaz Umar, Principal, evening. And distinguished professors. I welcome you all on behalf of our NCC officer, Mr. M.M. Rahman and Lieutenant Hedwig, and the cadets of Zakir Hussain College to salute 2001. Now Sergeant Bhuvan Singh will present the bouquet to our guest of honor, Ms. Chaya, IPS. I would like Cadet Manoj Kumar to present the bouquet to our Honorable Principal Sir, Mr. S.G. Hashmi, Zakir Hussain College, morning. Now, Cadet Uday will present the bouquet to our Honorable Principal Sir, Mr. Riyaz Umar, Principal, Zakir Hussain College, evening. Good afternoon to you all. As many of you must be aware that the foundation of NCC, that is National College, actively participated in each and every activity and gave excellent results, thereby living up to the expectations of our unit, that is 7 Delhi Battalion. Like always, this year also our cadets made some new records in the history of NCC. All this was possible due to the sincere efforts put in by our NCC officer, Mr. M.M. Rahman, and the hard work on behalf of our cadets. Junior Under Officer Umesh Sharma. Technical College is also participating in the non-RD category for the best cadet competition. He is none other than Senior Under Officer Jasmeer Singh. Now, for the RD category, we have 3 cadets from Zak participating in the RD. First of all, Junior Under Officer Umesh Sharma. That was junior. So that was Cadet Rajendra from Zakir Hussain College. Now it's turn of B.R. Ambedkar College. And Senior Under Officer Jasbir Singh is participating in the non-RD category.
Senior Under Officer Jasbir Singh पीसी के लिए अजय श्रीवास.
First of all, 3 cadets from Zakir Hussain College are participating. I would like to call Junior Under Officer Gunjan Chawla.
Senior Officer Gunjan Chawla. West Gate competition के लिए अजय श्रीवास.
That was Junior Under Officer Gunjan Chawla from Zakir Hussain College. Now I call Cadet Pradeep Thakur.
अजय श्रीवास.
So that was Cadet Pradeep Thakur from
पीसी competition के लिए अजय श्रीवास. पीसी competition के लिए अजय श्रीवास.
That was Cadet Prabhakar Jha from So that was Senior Under Officer Shamsher.
Right, Shriman. DLISG 99-9165. Senior Under Officer Charanjit Singh. Last Cadet Company के लिए आइए Shriman.
That was Senior Under Officer Charanjit Singh from B.R. Ambedkar College. These were the smart cadets from different colleges who had come for the best cadet competition. Now, from July 2000 onwards. I repeat, prize distribution is with effect from July 2000 onwards. To start with, BLC 2001. Coming to BLC 2001, that is Basic Leadership Camp, also called Bhagwati. He was adjudged the best map reader from Delhi Directorate. I'm sorry he is not present over here. Secondly, Cadet Parmanand Giri. It included a prize money of ₹3,000. One girl cadet also from our college did BLC this year. She is none other than Cadet Vandana Luthar. considered the best cadet from Delhi Directorate and got the opportunity to be the commander of the camp squad guard. The commanding officer of 32 Karnataka Battalion, Lieutenant Colonel Katoch. So that was Cadet Balbir Singh. Now I would like to call Sergeant Vishal Sharma. Sorry, he's not here. Now it's turn of junior. Now I would like turn card of honor. That was Sergeant Pradeep Thakur. Now I would like to call Cadet Mani. Now we have Cadet Hemant Gulati. Now comes the name of the... I would request you all to please give a big hand once again for Gunjan Chawla to boost his morale and confidence to do much better in near future. Thank you. And have actively participated in... Now we have Cadet Manish Kumar Rai. That was Manish Kumar Rai. We shall have now Cadet Prabhakar Jha, again a RD holder. Once again, now it's the 5th RD.
इधर कर लें, थोड़ा इधर हो जाए, फर्स्ट पे और इधर आ जा।
जल्दी आ जा, ओए कौन क्या?